Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be sharing some pro tips for beginner speedcubers. So let's get started. So the first tip is for solving the cross when the white edge is facing towards you. Then instead of moving the middle layer and inserting the white edge, you can just move the white edge away to the right and do this algorithm R prime F R so that you can complete the cross way faster, and it is super effective in some scenarios which will help you. So the tip number 2 is if you get already a corner solved while doing the cross, so you can just use the basic method and complete the edge instead of doing F12. It's way more faster and super effective like the last tip, and it's surely recommended to try out. So I have figured out the easiest way of solving the edge circle. Make sure the solved side remains at the back and the side opposite to the solved side faces towards you, and check where should be the frontmost edge should get into. If it's to the right, do this algorithm so that you can complete your edge cycle. If it's for the left, you can do the above shown algorithm so that you can complete the edge cycle. So yes fellas, this is tip number 3. So the easiest way of grasping the algorithms are while unscrambling the cube. You can just unscramble using those algorithms so that it gets into your muscle memory, so that next time you're solving the cube, it's way more faster than usual. So this is how I solve my Rubik's Cube. I hope you have enjoyed my videos. See you next time.